In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play free-for-all here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super easy to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is going to work the exact same on console and PC. And what you're going to want to do is actually get loaded into the multiplayer tab and then go ahead and select find a match down in the bottom left corner and scroll up to the very top where you see this little quick play option right here. From here, go ahead and select this little filter option and it's going to pull up a bunch of different things right here. You just need to go ahead and uncheck everything except free-for-all down at the very bottom if you want to exclusively play free-for-all. From here, you just have to go up and hit this quick play button again, and you'll see that it just says free-for-all. Just essentially uncheck everything that you don't want to go ahead and play. Now, sometimes it might put you into a match that's already started, or sometimes a brand new lobby. Either way, you're only going to be getting free-for-all games. And once you're in, every match after is also exclusively going to be free-for-all as long as that filter stays selected. So you can grind this mode for hours and hours if you want to. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you just want more content like this. So we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.